Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Holden Colorado 7 Trailblazer LTZ. Stock reference number 4434. This shape runs from the 7th month 2016 and is the current shape. It has an LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. LWN 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 18-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror in chrome. Left front door appears to have no damage. We have a set of factory side steps supplied with all bolts and brackets. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Has a tidy rear bumper cover, park sensor type with tow bar cutout. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and module. Right-hand tailgate light, right-hand tail light. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one dent. Right front door has one small dent and a light fold. Right-hand side step. Sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets. Right power door mirror, chrome indicator type, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic top console for drive type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.